Imagine if Gmail could write your emails, improve your tone, and even summarize long threads automatically. Well, now it can. In this video, I will show you how to use Gemini inside your Gmail to write professional email faster, reply to clients in seconds, and improve your workflow as a business owner. So we are in the window now and we have opened our Gmail. In the Gmail, we will compose the email. Click on compose email, then you will see this window. Here you can write an email. So I will directly tell you how you can do that. So here you can see in the bottom side, left bottom side, there is send button, and here beside that you will see that there is option with help with write. So we will click on that. So here you will see you will get an option to enter the text. So here suppose we need to write a mail to my colleague and I need to ask about some pending work, like any pending work. So what I will do, I will just write here, write an email to my colleague Rahul about pending work report, and ask him to submit the report tomorrow before 2 p.m. If he fails to submit the report before the deadline, then there might be some issue. So as you can see, I have write the prompt and now I will enter. And now what he will do is he has wrote one email. You can see, dear Rahul, I'm writing to follow up on your pending work report. Please ensure the report is submitted by tomorrow before 2 p.m. It is important to meet this deadline to avoid any further issue regarding this task. Thank you for cooperation. And then there will be your name. So this is how you can do that. You just need to add a subject here and then you can send it. So that says, and now you can see how easy it is to write an email. You don't need to go to any other software like ChatGPT or outside the Gmail, but in the Gmail you can just write it by simple prompt.